Hello everyone. We're going to see how to install Java 25 in this video. Java 25 is the latest version, and without any further ado, let's just jump right in. So yeah, first of all, just open up your favorite browser and then your favorite search engine, which is Google for me, and then type in Java 25 download. You're going to see Java downloads web page from Oracle Corporation. Open that either in a new tab or in the same tab. As you can see, JDK 25 is available now, which is an LTS version, a long-term support version for the Java SE platform. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see three different operating systems where you can have the Java installed. My system is based on Windows, so it is Windows, so I'm going to use a Windows and a 64-bit installer to install Java onto my system. It's about 183 MB in size. I'm going to click on this link, which will initiate my download, which will probably take a few minutes to download. So yeah, installation is kind of easy. You can check the installation validity or the completeness of the installation using the Java space hyphen hyphen version command on the command line or on the command prompt once the installation is done, which we will get through in a little bit of time. So yeah, we'll be doing a lot of these tutorials, you know, tech related, how-tos, educational content, some sort of entertainment content in terms of shorts on our channel. Make sure to drop a like. If this content is of any help, please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative and relational videos. Also, feel free to, skip to any part of this video. We'll be posting timestamps soon enough so that you can get the information you want and make use of it. All right, as you can see, the download is almost complete, just finishing up. I will be heading on to this downloads folder where the Java has been downloaded. It's an exe file. You're going to double click on it, and then you'll be going to see an UAC prompt, or which is required for authorization to do some changes on the system level since it writes files to C directory. Click on yes, and then wait for the installer to pop up. As you can see, the installer has been up. Uh, it is an installation wizard for the Java Development Kit for the standard edition 25.0.1 version. Click on next. As you can see, the default installation location is inside the program files. You can change it to somewhere else if you want to. But for now, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave it at default. Keep in mind that you can use any other custom folder for the installation. Click on install once you choose your folder and wait for the installation to be done. So it won't take much time, probably a couple of minutes before it gets completed, as you can see. And as we are talking, the installation is done. You can choose on the next steps to go through the API documentation and whatnot, but for now we're going to click on close and go to your start menu. Type in CMD to get your command prompt. Open it up and just type in Java hyphen hyphen version. You should see Java 25.0.1 dated October 2025 LTS version, which is the latest and which is the version we install right now. This is how you're going to install Java in your system. Thank you for watching and appreciate you staying by, and please feel free to skip to any part of the video, front or back. Make use of the information, and would really appreciate if you can drop a like, subscribe to your channel, and yeah, thanks again for watching and peace out.